Everyone, in this video I'm going to show a step-by-step tutorial on how to disable whitelisting on Bitget account. So we're going to disable whitelisting. So first we're going to go to our Bitget account. Then we're going to click on our profile icon on the top left corner. Then we're going to click on our account. Then again we're going to click on security. Then once we scroll, there's the withdrawal settings option. We're going to click on it. So as you can see, whitelisting is turned on. So when we turn it off, they're going to send us an email as well as a verification code via Google Authenticator. So we're going to insert those numbers here. Then once we confirm, the whitelisting will be turned off. So we won't be able to send up to addresses which are not in our contacts. So this is how you do it. You guys can check out our previous playlist on Bitget account essentials. I hope you guys like this video. Subscribe for more, like for more, share for more. I hope to see you again. Goodbye.